Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and share it with family and friends. Fidelity Bank USSD Codes, *770#. Fidelity USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime top-up for others is 770 phone *amount hash. Airtime top-up for self is 770 amount hash. ATM cardless withdrawal is 778 amount hash. Block account from USSD banking is 770 0801234567 hash. Block card is 77911 hash. Block phone from USSD banking is 77911 0801234567 hash. Change PIN is 77000 hash. Check balance is 770 hash. Choose SMS and email alert is 772 hash. Pay bills is *770 hash. Transfer to Fidelity account is 770 account *amount hash. Transfer to other banks is 770 account *amount hash. Update BVN is 77002 hash. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Thanks for watching, and you can click the notification button to receive more of our videos.